All right, everybody, you ready to try this again? Okay, I got my two scales, and what I do is I need to get me a couple of 1/4-inch bolts so that I could bolt these together, but I don't have none right now. So I'm just going to stick a couple of 1/4-inch dowel rods in there and sand the end of that even and make the end semi-pretty. Let's see how this sander here does. Need a new belt for it, really. Okay, now they're even. Whoa. Now let's go glue them on. That's why I eat so many popsicle sticks. I don't know why it's going together so hard. Yeah, there. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to put the Big Daddy clamps on that. Usually I would just put these on it, but it's going together so hard, I believe I'm gonna put the big clamps on it. Well, I call them the big clamps, they're just squeezy clamps. Okay, I like to see glue squeezed out all the way around the perimeter. That way I know it's all glued real good. Okay, so take me a little bit of paint thinner. And I put it on a rag. See, just a little bit. And then I wipe the excess glue off. Which Dave Mize showed on a video the other day to use Q-tips, and that's a good idea too. You know, it's hard to argue with someone that's been making knives as long as Dave has. Why's that blade got so much glue on it? Because the doofus was messing with it yesterday. Watch me cut myself. Come on, get off of there. Lord, I don't want to cut again, please. Come on. Get off of there. Ha! I got it. Okay. I don't know if you can see that or not. See, this front here is it's evened up now. I've got glue squeezed out everywhere. And I don't really worry about the glue here because that'll come off whenever I grind around the handle to shape the handle. Okay. That's all I can do for that one right now. It's gonna be tomorrow before I can fool with it again. But there it is. I just wanted to show my recovery. Get saved, Tom. Oh Lord. Well, I guess I'm gonna go upstairs and watch YouTube videos, or edit this one and Go watch some videos. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.